Casmara presents Infinity Treatment, Science, Technology and Wellness, a new concept of holistic cosmetics that acts beyond the skin with extraordinary results. Phase 0. Prepare the skin. Before starting the treatment, cleanse and remove makeup from eyes and face with Casmara multifunctional gel based on natural active ingredients that cleanse, balance and protect the skin. Next, remove gel using plenty of water. Phase 1. Sensory Purifying Phase. Detoxifying cleansing face mask enriched with microencapsulated charcoal that, thanks to its sphere particles, gently exfoliates while at the same time intensely cleanses the skin from impurities and toxins, leaving it soft and purified. Apply it dry, gently using your fingertips, onto a clean face and neck with soft movements to release the charcoal, breaking all particles. Continue working with circular movements, wetting it continuously with water to activate the heat effect for 6 minutes. It is recommended to remove the entire product with moistened sponges. As a final step, to ensure an optimal removal of the phase, use Casmara cleansing facial wipes moistened with clean water. Innovative sensory phase that provides a pleasant feeling of heat when activated, acting on the neurotransmitters to bring calm and relaxation. Phase 2. Ultra Repair Phase. There are 3 different options for the application of this phase: hand application, application with beauty gun equipment from Casmara, and application with other equipment than beauty gun. Option 1. Hand application. Apply with an active massage until completely absorbed. Ultra Repair Ionizing Phase that blends 5 growth factors and Japanese spring water. Extraordinary formula that enhances cell division and renewal and intensively repairs the damage produced in the cells. Phase 3. Intensive Anti-Aging Phase with Genomics and Neurocosmetics. Revolutionary phase with a gel texture enriched with an extraordinary blend of anti-aging active ingredients such as Eternal Beauty, Chardonnay grape extract and Persian silk tree. Apply using a deep massage until complete absorption. Phase 4. Intelligent Lifting. Neurocosmetics formula with ultra-firming action and enriched texture. Intelligent cosmetics with snowflower and lavender oil that restore skin firmness, drastically reducing neck flaccidity and redefining facial contours while providing a sublime feeling of well-being. Apply using a long, relaxing massage on face, neck and neckline. Phase 5. Infinity Ionizable Mask 3030. New generation innovative ionizable facial mask with a gel texture and a wellness firming effect, enriched with melatonin, tryptophan, vitamin B6 and cherry blossom. Empty the content of the sachet Phase 1 in a bowl and empty the content of Phase 2 onto it. With a spatula, mix both components vigorously for approximately 60 seconds. To obtain a homogeneous mixture. If the mixture is not prepared properly, this could affect its correct setting. Using the same spatula, apply and spread the mask over the face without wasting time, as it begins to set 5 minutes after starting to prepare the mixture. It is recommended to cover eyes and lips. Before the mask sets completely, apply the positive electrode of the appliance anode, red cable, on each side of the forehead, along with the facial electrodes over the mask. In this way, the electrodes will remain attached to the mask itself when it is set and will not move. The previously moistened sponge will be adjusted to the negative electrode, cathode, which in some cases corresponds to the white or black cable, to ensure the passage of current, and will be placed on the upper back in direct contact with the skin. Leave the mask on for 10 minutes without switching on the ionization. Before connecting the ionization device, the mask must be removed from the eye area with a spatula or an orange stick, always taking good care of not scratching the skin. We will switch on the device by pressing the basic button. We will search for the ionization program number 16 with the button P. The button E regulates the time, the frequency, and the duration of the impulse. The intensity of the electrodes should be increased depending on the sensitivity of each client, always providing a pleasant feeling, never a painful sensation. The ionization process should not take more than 20 minutes. Remove the mask in one single piece. A unique mask with peel-off technology that enables the iontophoresis technique to be used, allowing the active ingredients to penetrate to deep levels, enhancing their effect. Its formula combines neurocosmetics, wellness, chromotherapy, and aromatherapy. Phase 6, Global Rejuvenating Phase. With snowflower, Persian silk tree extract, white truffle, and cherry blossom aroma, based on Neurocosmetics, Epigenetics, and Chronocosmetics. Its unique formula repairs, firms, removes wrinkles, and provides an intense rejuvenating skincare. Apply half the vial to face, neck, and neckline until complete absorption using a brief, deep massage. Give the rest of the vial to the client for later application at home, along with the sachet with Infinity Sleeping Mask. It is important to advise the client to apply sleeping mask on the same day they have enjoyed a treatment session.